This is Ashu from Ashu.
A couple of years back was a question mark as to can someone make their living and their lives out of photography. Alright, we always have known that people have been shooting weddings, we know that people have been shooting fashion, we know people have been shooting industrial, and there's so many genres in photography, we all know that. And all of you and each of you have come with a certain mindset in terms of learning and going ahead with a genre of photography that you can not only make money out of, but also enjoy it as a spirit. Alright? Is this the right step that you've taken? Is this the right step that you've taken? You come here, you are about 100 of you, and 7 cameras placed at different, 4 cameras front angle and 3 on movement, 4 cameras, one after the other. The next day we had another event, I had to buy 4 cameras. The same very night I called up Raju Bhai in Bombay, he sent 4 cameras for me to the next morning. Right? Don't let them down, don't let yourself down. Show them what you can.
DSLR versus mirrorless. If it's a mirrorless camera, you have to keep your lens cap on. If it's a DSLR camera, आपकी lens cap नहीं भी लगी हुई, it's okay. क्योंकि mirror है उसको protect करने के लिए. One is from some jeweler here. So we have around 12 positions, and out of 12, every single position is commercial photography and commercial filmmaking.
So basically you will get an S5, a 20-60mm lens.
Glad to see that there are so many new people who are joining our industry and actually something that you want to do, and then it gets you into the motion of learning from an organization.
सभी के पास है मोबाइल, निकाल लो. Yes sir. You can please follow the mission. Right. Same है. 70.
This is also my like.
F4B और F2B ये F4 है sir. For most of, for around 75% of the pixels in 420 and 50% of the pixels in 422.